This is DJI Neo, and in today's video I'll quickly show how you can power this drone on or off. So let me begin this video by making a tiny safety remark. So before you switch your aircraft on, make sure to remove the gimbal protector, so this little plastic cap or cover. So let me quickly put it back on so I can show you how to take it off, in case you will encounter any issues with that. So once the gimbal protector is on, in order to take it off, squeeze it and simply eject it like that. Now find the power button that is located at the rear end of your drone and then press and hold it. So press once and then press and hold. Once you see the blades twitching like that and you hear the power on sound, that obviously means that the drone is switched on. Now in order to switch it off, you'll need to do an identical move or action. Just press and then press and hold. You can already release the button, and as you can see, the drone is switched off all the way. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.